Hello everyone, welcome to Shanghai Feiyu Packaging Machinery company. My name is Tina. Today I will introduce our new design screw counting packing machine. This machine model number is FY240A. Firstly, let's quickly learn about the key parameters of this machine. This type of packing machine, packing speed can reach more than 70 bags per minute. In addition, the new machine has many improvements compared to the older design, such as the height of this machine, the total height. You will see the total height about more than 1 meters. And this new design is easy to fit in the products into the vibration bowl. When the products is already packing finished, the operator is easy to fit in again. The machine complements including the main packing machine. This PLC touchscreen supports many different kinds of language. The standard language is Chinese and English. If you have any other language to requirements, then you can tell us, and we can customize any language that you need. Vibration bowl. This is a vibration bowl. The vibration different products use different type vibration bowl, and the bowl size is depends on the product size. Like this. You can, for example, this product is use the universal bowl. This is free. This is free hardware. The screw hardware use the screw type of balls. Optical fiber counting system. This is the counting system adopt the optical fiber imported from Japan. The brand is Optex. Let's flip to check the bag making. This is for the bag former, for bag making. The machine automatic to making the bag. Each size bag former for each bag vase with one size bag former. For example, this bag former is 300. Then this bag vase is 40 centimeters. The bag size, the bag vase like this. This is for the bag former size in here. If you have any another size for the bag former, it's okay. And this bag former is easy to change. Just to lose this screw, and we can change another bag former. The material is PVC, and in order to transfer the finished bag to the wet checker. And the wet checker, when the finished bag falling down in the wet checker, the wet checker will check the package quantity is correct or not. If the package bag is correct, then the wet checker will send to this side. If the package bag quantity is correct, is error, then is the wet checker will send the back to this side. This side is error. This side is correct, and error. This side. Here we have the cylinder to control this wet checker. And the intelligent printer. Our intelligent printer use the brand with marking. This marking brand imported from French and America. This marking. important. This type of printer, the function is stability, and the printing is very excellent. So we choose this type of printer used to printing. It supports both single item and three cans of 4 different items packed in one bag. This is the basic introduction of our new design for screw packing machine. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in these products and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. We are your reliable hardware packing machine supplier. Looking forward to working with you. Thank you.